Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you guys how you can exporting videos on CapCut PC. So after you finish editing the video, you can export your video that's created by click the export button in the top right corner, and you can change the title here, and also select the folder that you want to save the file. And then you can also change the resolution, frame rate, and etc. Just click export. So just export and waiting for exporting, and you can find at the folder is. So it's very simple, but I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to click like, comment, share, and also subscribe. And you can click thanks button for appreciate and show thanks. Bye bye.